Hey everyone, it's Julian. Today is day 27 of me documenting my programming journey towards becoming a mobile developer. Today is Thursday, March 17th. It's 6:18 a.m. Getting started a little bit later than I normally would because I thought today was my day off and then I realized it wasn't, so I got up late. But it's okay. We are going to head on into the ultimate portfolio app course on the Hacking with Swift website because I've been working on my own stuff the last few days and this course is pretty important to me and I got most of the way through my own stuff. I really just have to upload the app on the App Store now at this point. And it's an expense tracker app. If you haven't seen the other stuff, subscribe if you want to keep up with that stuff. But anyway, I'm working on a lesson about adding local notifications to our app that we've been developing in this course. That should be fun because notifications have always made me a bit curious. So let's check it out. So I just finished the lesson. It was about an hour long. There was a lot going on there. Let me outline it a bit for you. So the crux of our code is in our data controller. In all four of these functions, it's quite a lot of code going on here. And basically what all of this code is doing is it's doing the back-end work that we need in order to do things like place notifications on the user screen, write out the text of the title stuff that's on the notification itself, ask the user for permission to show notifications. It's doing all kinds of stuff. And the reason we're doing this is because we added a section in our UI that allows us to show reminders to the user to do a project. For example, play guitar or learn to code today or whatever. So we are implementing all of these functions or different parts of these functions in our edit projects view, which is the view that I just showed you. And we're seeing an alert if the notification permission fails, like for example, if the user enabled notifications when they first used the app, but then later went into their settings to turn off notifications for the app, stuff like that. We're handling errors, showing alerts when applicable, and we're also making it possible with this Show App Settings button to make it easier for the user to go right to their settings to enable notifications if they were disabled and they want notifications now. So let's see the whole notification thing in action. If we go to our thing here, I have already run this app and enabled notifications, and then later I went into the settings app and disabled notifications. So I'm getting this error message which says, oops, there was a problem, please check if notifications enabled. Now we're going to click check settings to go to our settings and see the settings for the app. We have notifications off, so we have to click allow notifications. And then if we go back to our app, we can successfully enable show reminders and we can tell it a time. So right now it is 30 seconds until 7:39 a.m. So I'm going to do that. And then I'm going to go to the home screen and I'm going to lock the app and I'm going to put a cut here for the next 20 seconds because you don't need to watch that. And just like that, for Project 100, we have a notification. We can open this notification and get taken right to the project, which is awesome. So that's the way the user can set daily reminders. And by the way, yes, these reminders are daily, which means that every day at whatever time you specify, you will receive a notification to do whatever project you created, which is pretty great. I liked this lesson. It was pretty enjoyable, especially because it's such a real world thing that I know I'll have a use for. Like I said, that lesson was an hour long and it's 7:40, which means I have to start getting ready for work soon. So I think I'll get a teeny tiny bit of the way through another lesson, but I'm not going to film because again, I really can't get very far through it. So I'm going to end the vlog here. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.